More and more, floor activations are being used in areas with frequent foot traffic, like open office spaces, lobbies, lecture halls, and common areas. Over time, it's easy for the covers to get scuffed, scraped, and scratched. But you now have a choice for poke-through covers. For facilities that want something that stands up better to daily wear and tear, offer your customers the option of our Evolution durable finishes. Durable finishes last much longer than standard powder coat options, 4 times longer. They also last 3 times longer than industry standard finishes. That means fewer replacements for your customers and a great upsell opportunity for you. Now you have several options with big potential. Not only can you offer the covers right from the start when customers install poke-through devices, but you can strategically reach out to those with existing poke-throughs and sell the upgrade. Because the covers are made for the Evolution series, they can easily replace any old or damaged cover from that poke-through line. They even fit onto RFBE series floor boxes. Start offering durable finishes today and reach out to anyone with Evolution covers already installed in their facilities. With over 500,000 covers installed, it's a big opportunity for you. To learn more, reach out to your Legrand sales rep.